All right, let's talk about another very important trick of the trade that a lot of people don't understand. It has to do with keeping your gloves clean, or actually keeping them dirty. So I got some newer gloves because my last orange gloves got a hole in them. Now they're getting some asphalt on them, and the temptation is to go and spray orange and diesel on it, rub it all together, get a rag, get the gloves all nice and clean. The big problem with that is asphalt sticks to clean gloves. So you don't want to do that. What you want to do instead is rub them in the dirt. You want to get dirt up in your gloves, and if you get asphalt on them, you just want to rub it off with dirt, just like that. You're going to do that for a week or two, and eventually it'll build up this asphalt dirt layer that asphalt doesn't want to stick to. I'll show you my... Okay, so here are my other leather gloves. As you can see, they're just super dirty. They actually have this asphalt dirt layer mixed together, and these are awesome. I can grab a hose, I can grab, take a sample, and I won't put any asphalt on there. And the reason is, every time I touch the hose, I rub them in dirt. As soon as I open my dome lid, I get off the ladder, I rub them in dirt. Just like that, over and over, every time. You want dirt gloves. Not dirtier gloves, dirt gloves. If you do that, you'll have so much better luck.